Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel for another video. Okay guys, so today I'm doing let's chat. So on let's chat today I'm asking the question, would you be a side chick? I want you guys to comment down below and give me your answer. Well, for me personally, I don't think so, because I love attention, and if I'm not gonna get a full attention from the person that I'm with, it make no sense. You understand? Because, for instance, me wanting to see you and at certain time or certain hours of the night, you're not going to be there because you can't, because you have to either be home with your wife or your girlfriend. You know what I mean? So you guys must have someone said that a lot, you know what I mean? But yeah, I love attention, and I don't think I will get the full attention. Even if it's gonna benefit me financially, emotionally, you're gonna need a person. Or sometimes you can't call him in the middle of the night, you're not gonna get that. You can't go certain places, you can't be seen together. Me want the whole full thing, the whole package. I'm wanting to be my man. So that's just my opinion, to each his own. But that's just me. But I was visiting my family and I decided to ask the question. So I will let you guys see their views and their opinion on the question. Okay, so watch this. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, today question and let's chat is, would you be a side chick? Alright, I have some ladies here that are going to ask the question, and they're going to give you their answer or their views on it. Alright. Hey, good evening. What is your name?
Stephanie.
Alright, Stephanie, my question for you today is, would you be a side chick?
No, why?
Why?
Why she ask me? Because I want to play wifey role.
Okay. And you tell the viewers the name?
Michelle.
Yeah, and would you be a side chick?
Yeah.
Why?
Because a side chick I get everything.
Alright. Alright, Sister Firm, you're elderly and you know the thing.
Yeah.
So, my question for you, would you be a side chick?
No more like a key, no.
Side chick?
No more like a key, no.
Alright, what is your name? Alright, the question is, would you be a side chick?
Yes, it depends. Look, because if you have a benefit from it, yes, I would be a side chick. But if I not benefit from it, I not go do it.
Alright. Yeah. Yes, guys, that's just their opinion. I know they're kind of joking in that sense. Especially my auntie, don't take her serious, okay, guys? But to each his own, alright? To each his own. What I would do, some people wouldn't do, and what some people would do, I wouldn't do. You can't bash another person for their opinion and their views or how they decide to live their life. That's just them, alright? Nobody is perfect in this world. So don't bash another person for how they want to live their life or how they see fit with their life. Like I said, to each his own. So guys, don't forget to join me next time and let's chat. And I hope to be able to go out and ask questions more time on my let's chat to get other feedback or other opinion on the views or the matter that I'm talking about. So I hope you guys will like this new let's chat thing. So thank you for joining me, and thank you to all my subscribers for watching. So until next time, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Guys, hit that like button whenever you watch. Hit that like button, okay? So thank you for watching, guys, and bye.